Hi there, students. Distraught. Distraught is an adjective. You can have the adverb distraughtly. So if somebody is distraught, they are extremely worried. They're extremely upset. They're very, very, very nervous. So the parents were distraught when their child disappeared. Okay, so if somebody's distraught, they are deeply agitated from worry or from grief, from sadness. I was so distraught that I couldn't concentrate. Okay, so this distraught, it gives the idea that you're so worried that you just can't think straight. You're so hurt, you've been incapacitated by distress. Okay. After the death of his wife, he was completely distraught. He distraughtly ran from place to place looking for a solution. So extremely upset, extremely worried, devastated, shattered. Okay, you're frantic, you're wild, you're mad, completely overwrought. Yeah, so you just can't think clearly because you're so worried or so upset by the situation. He was distraught when he lost his job because he didn't know how he was going to pay the mortgage and pay for the family. Yeah, he was shattered. He was devastated. He was maybe a little bit hysterical. Yeah, so demented, insane. Yeah, but from being from worry. Yeah, so he just went crazy. He became unbalanced. In a distraught voice, she asked me what she was going to do now. Okay, so full of emotion, full of distress. If you're distraught, you're just going to have to wait until a bit of time passes. So to be distraught, this is an extreme. Notice he was absolutely distraught. He was utterly distraught. I'm not sure very goes well with this. I think this is one of these extreme words. Okay, what about formality? Yes, it does sound a little bit literary, a little bit formal, but I would give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use distraught anywhere. You could use it in an informal conversation, semi-formal writing, and even something very formal. It does have, yes, a little bit of a poetic tone to it, but I think it's valid just about anywhere. And then as to origin, I think it's a mixture of distracted. Okay, if you're distraught, your mind's distracted, you're just thinking about this thing and you can't think about anything else. And straught, which actually means stretched. Straught is old English. From to stretch to pull. So your mind is stretched because of distraction and you can't actually think clearly. Okay, so distraught. He was distraught by the loss of his canary. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Distraught.